Assalamu alaikum. I was thinking where to store my sheet goods. So I decided to put the sheets in here. To do so, I have to move my clamps from here. And I have to move this track a little bit to the left. Let's rock and roll. Now I have removed all my lumber and plywood I was storing on the lumber storage system, and now I'm gonna show you my lumber storage system, how it's working. And right here is my system. I made it from Woodsmith lumber rack. I think it's free plan on Woodsmith. It's notched in here. As you can see, it's notched, so it just gets on like this on this angle cut cleat. Now I'm gonna move the cleats a little bit towards me. I wanted to show you this piece of lumber. It's pitch pine. It's just amazing. I like it very much. So I don't want to use it in any project. I want to leave it as it is. The problem that it got a bow. If you can see, it's bowed right here. It has a bow. But total, it's great looking piece of lumber. Just I wanted to show you this piece. Okay, right now I put my lumber back to my lumber rack. So it's right here, right there. It's empty, so I'm gonna put my sheet goods after I move my painting cabinet. I have moved all my sheets from here to here, and I'm going to move my painting sheet from here to there right now. Then I'm going to hang my clamps, this time here. So I've done it finally, and I put all my sheet goods in here. It took me a day to finish this area, to organize this area. So I put my clamps here, and this is my spring clamps again, and I put here my sheets, all my sheets. This is lumber core plywood and veneer core plywood, MDF. And the benefit of this area, I can push my sheets to this area, so I can choose what sheet I want to pull out. This is a very important benefit, this area here. And I put all my lumbers again to the lumber rack, and up here I put my painting shed or my painting table. And this is a student of mine project. It's Muhammad Yahya's project. He got some faults and errors, but it turned out nice, and it's his first time to make to use tools and to work with wood. If you like this video, please press thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching me today. Thank you.